On Friday, we told you about a data released by Homeowners Hurricane Insurance Initiative, a consumer advocacy group. They're fighting to lower insurance premiums in coastal communities. They claim that Gulf Coast homeowners have been subsidizing homeowners throughout the rest of Alabama for the last 10 years.
Fox 10 News reporter Hal Sherrick has been digging deeper into the claims. Today, he talked to the Alabama Department of Insurance, and let's just say he got a different perspective.
On Friday, members of Homeowners Hurricane Insurance Initiative, or HHII, met with members of the Alabama legislature and Baldwin County officials to voice their concern over just-released Clarity Law data. That data compared loss ratio over the last 10 years by comparing the cost of premiums versus claims paid out statewide. Community consultant for HHII, Michelle Kurtz, contends that since Mobile and Baldwin counties consistently showed the lowest loss ratio, the insurance premium rate hikes over the last few years are unjustified.
It feels like geographic discrimination because year after year, our loss ratios are less than the rest of the state.
The loss ratio is calculated by dividing the amount in claims paid out by the amount paid in premiums. HHII determined that Mobile and Baldwin counties have only been getting 51% return on premiums over the last 10 years. But there's more to the story. The Alabama Department of Insurance is charged with regulating insurance companies and their practices in the state. Deputy Commissioner of Insurance Charles Angel has seen the same data, but comes away with a different opinion. He says there are expenses insurance companies incur that aren't reflected in HHII's figures.
When you add up all of those additional expenses, loss adjustment expense, overhead expense, and the cost of capital, add all of those to that 51% loss ratio for Mobile, Baldwin County, and you end up at about a 100% loss and expense ratio.
What that means is for every dollar in premiums paid in, insurers have paid back $1 in claims. The bottom line, as much as homeowners on the coast are feeling the hit to their premiums, the state contends that the rates are justified.
To me, a subsidy means you're overpaying in one area in order to help another area underpay. But in the case of Mobile, Baldwin County, we do not see that they are overpaying.
Whether you own a home currently or you're building a new one, it seems that for now, the best way to save money on your premiums will be wind mitigation. Before you make any changes to your home, though, be sure to check with your insurer so that the changes you make will qualify you to save money. Reporting from the Eastern Shore, Hal Sherrick, Fox 10 News.
Man, a lot of information there for homeowners. If you have some time, go to our website, fox10tv.com. That way you can kind of dig into the numbers for yourself.
That's right. And once you're there, you'll also find the loss ratio for the top and bottom 10 counties in the state.
Well, today students at Princeton can get a meningitis vaccine that's not approved for use in the U.S.
Now, this is all in response to a recent outbreak at